In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a return shipment in Shiprocket. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This feature is available inside of the Shiprocket app. So instead of going to the Shiprocket website on your computer or your phone through a web browser, make sure you open up the Shiprocket app. In there, go to the home page and you will be able to find the return option under Create Shipment. When you select Return, you will be able to include the pickup POC details, the buyer addresses, the delivery address, so your office or warehouse, and the reason for the return. You can also include any additional comments in the reason for return option. Upload images of your order if you wish, and when you select Proceed, you will be able to add the actual product's details. Include the details, name, tax, discount, etc., and the weight and dimensions of the product. As long as all the information is valid and legitimate, you will be able to find a courier partner and request a pickup. Make sure you check out your order, see if it's been labeled properly, and if everything looks in order. After you find the courier pattern, your return order will have been placed and you will be able to track its progress through the app. After you include all of the details about the item and you make the return order, it should be available for you to check out in your account dashboard, either on your computer or your phone. You only need to do the actual process through your phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to create a return shipment inside of Shiprocket. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.